Good Friday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back to Southwest Arkansas. Weather here on May the 30th, 2025, taking a look at what's in store for the next 6 days as we go through the end of May into the beginning of June. Let's talk about the forecast. So, really starting off with just a quick summary. Temperatures will be on the increase for both daytime highs and nighttime lows beyond Sunday. Initially, skies will tend to be on the mix of clouds and sun, with more sun at times, but through the later half of the forecast, some wind energy coming in from the Pacific Ocean will help encourage more widespread cloud cover. Rain chances, while they're low, they still exist early in the forecast and late in the forecast period. They're there. They're there to keep a close eye on. Remember, not everybody you may go through this period and you may not see a shower or storm, but there's a chance that somebody in our coverage area, somebody in southwest Arkansas, is going to see some rain throughout this period. Now, jumping back into this day by day, as we go through Saturday, mostly sunny skies with highs in the low 80s, low temperatures in the upper 50s and low 60s. There's a 10% chance of some rainfall in the overnight hours, and really that goes into Sunday with some partly cloudy skies with the 20% chance of some rain early in the morning hours primarily. Highs are going to be in the low 80s there across the area. Monday, mostly sunny skies with highs in the upper 80s and low 90s. Low temperatures will be in the upper 60s and 70s. Your dry day there on Monday, but a warmer day there as well. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with highs into the low 90s, and low temperatures will be up in the upper 60s and low 70s. Another dry day with cloud cover increases ahead of our next few small rain chances. As we go into Wednesday, cloud cover will be there with mostly cloudy skies, highs in the upper 80s, low 90s there on Wednesday as well. Low temperatures will be in the low to mid 70s, and there's a 10% chance of rain there on your Wednesday. As we go into Thursday, you do have those mostly cloudy skies continuing throughout this period, with high temperatures in the low 90s and low temperatures going to be in the low 70s with a 20% chance of some rain showers. Real quickly, I do want to also show you this is a graphic that our forecaster Michael Monica Jr. made, and we want to go over this as well, talking about the upcoming period. Really, as we go through this June period, we're going to watch it closely, but a rainy pattern is incoming. While it has already rained a good bit across the large part of the plains recently, more rain will be incoming as an active subtropical jet from the Pacific moves in next week in tandem with the repeated storm systems that will be located over the western U.S. with that red L, the low pressure system over there. Around that June the 2nd through 3rd time frame, rain and thunderstorms pick up starting in the high plains into the Great Plains and a middle section of the country immediately after. Several inches of rainfall is going to be likely across portions of those areas with that where that subtropical jet really focuses on. Right now, that looks like it may just stay just really north of the coverage area, but clip northwest Arkansas and more of Oklahoma with heavier rainfall totals. We're still going to see potentially up to an inch, maybe 2 inches of rainfall, but that could easily change. So we're going to keep a close eye on that. Western and northwestern parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and eastern Kansas, Arkansas, into Ohio Valley could be a focal point for receiving several inches of rain during this time frame, with continued storm systems arriving to the western U.S. and even beyond this time frame. It would appear the rain and thunderstorm chances could continue for the middle sections of the country even through the 8th of June time frame. And that's also just this, we're going to bring this up as well. I don't know if many of y'all know this, but we also have a national-wide page that kind of covers more nationwide stuff in a way. That's Twisted Nature over on Facebook and here on YouTube. Make sure to check that out, where we'll have more storm chasing stuff there. Michael does a lot more storm chasing in terms of that, and we'll have some forecasting videos, stuff of that, just a lot of interesting stuff over there. So make sure you check out that page as well and support both of those. And and that gives a little more national-wide view. But just be prepared. Rain chances could be above average as we go into the beginning half of June. A very interesting year so far. We've not really felt a big just straight pure summer yet. But we have had highs really in the 80s throughout most of this past week. It's been a little cooler, a little drier in terms of dew points than today. So that's kind of helped led to some smaller rain chances this afternoon. We did have some rain chances this morning, and we're going to continue to monitor that. But that brings us to the end of today's video vlog. We want to say big thanks, as always, to all of our sponsors: Palmer's Roofing, Southern Dumpster Rental, J&S Auto Supply Bumper to Bumper, Landmark Insurance Agency, Patterson's Credit Union, Tan Energy and Nutrition, and Fort Smith Therapy. And as always, we want to say big thanks to all of y'all for supporting us and helping us get this information to you, or helping us share this information. It wouldn't be possible without all of our supporters and followers, and we're very blessed to have y'all on, or have y'all following us and tuning in daily to see these videos. And thank you guys very much. Once again, have a good rest of your Friday, and see you back here for another look at what's in store on Sunday. We're going to take a break on Saturday, but make sure you're following the Facebook page. We'll have forecast out there on over on Facebook, but we'll be back coming Sunday. As always, have a good rest of your Friday, and have a great weekend. Enjoy the almost drier weekend. There's some small rain chances, but enjoy some nicer weather, some summer-like weather in terms of getting outside and enjoy the weekend. Have a good rest of your day, and thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.